Hi guys! Planning your next outdoor adventure and searching for the top 5 best portable gas camping stove? On Budget Buying, we've selected powerful, windproof, and fuel-efficient stoves perfect for camping, hiking, and travel cooking. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Dotwise Portable Camping Gas Stove. The Dotwise Portable Camping Gas Stove is designed with a focus on performance, durability, and efficient outdoor cooking. Built for campers, travelers, and outdoor cooking enthusiasts, it delivers powerful heat output while maintaining energy efficiency and stable operation in challenging environments. At its core, the stove features an infrared burner with an impressive 7500 W ultra-high power output. This energy-concentrating flame technology ensures rapid heating and strong firepower, making cooking faster and more efficient. With a heat efficiency of up to 63%, it reduces energy waste while maintaining consistent cooking performance. Whether boiling, frying, or simmering, the stove provides controlled and reliable heat suitable for a variety of outdoor meals. One of its standout features is its windproof and energy-saving design. The built-in windproof ring helps gather the flame toward the center, allowing heat to distribute evenly across the bottom of cookware. This ensures stable cooking even in windy outdoor conditions, preventing heat loss and improving fuel efficiency. Additionally, the stove includes 3,100 heating holes that support complete combustion, helping avoid uneven burning and preventing blackened cookware bottoms. Constructed with a high-carbon steel furnace body, the stove offers strong durability and resistance to rust and clogging. Its surface is designed for easy cleaning, making maintenance simple even after repeated outdoor use. The robust structure ensures long-lasting performance in rugged camping environments. Safety and convenience are also key highlights. The long connecting pipe features a mesh buffer layer and leak-proof air hose design, enhancing secure fuel flow and reducing risk during operation. A carefully engineered air outlet further supports stable combustion and controlled flame output. With its infrared strong fire technology and wind-resistant structure, the Dotwise Portable Camping Gas Stove delivers powerful, efficient, and reliable cooking performance. It is designed to handle both outdoor adventures and demanding cooking tasks with ease, offering consistent heat, improved fuel efficiency, and practical usability in various conditions. Coming in at number 4, the BRS Portable Camping Gas Stove. The BRS Portable Camping Gas Stove is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who value efficiency, durability, and convenience in every cooking experience. Built with a closed combustion structure, it ensures windproof performance while maximizing energy efficiency, allowing users to cook with stable heat output even in challenging outdoor environments. At the core of its design is a professional pressure regulating valve paired with a built-in preheating tube. This system enhances fuel performance and ensures smooth, consistent combustion, making it reliable for extended camping trips, hiking adventures, and travel cooking needs. The stove features an infrared heating system combined with a steady valve mechanism delivering uniform heat distribution for practical and efficient cooking. Whether boiling water, preparing simple meals, or cooking more elaborate outdoor dishes, it maintains stable performance across multiple cooking scenarios. Portability is another key highlight. Its compact and lightweight construction makes it easy to carry, store, and transport. The dismountable foldable bracket adds further convenience, allowing quick setup and breakdown while ensuring secure support during use. This adaptive design makes it suitable for backpackers and campers who need space-saving gear without compromising functionality. Engineered for outdoor versatility, the stove is built to perform reliably in different environments, from camping sites and mountain trails to roadside stops and travel adventures. It provides a dependable cooking solution wherever it is needed. Overall, the BRS portable gas stove combines smart engineering with practical design, offering a compact yet powerful cooking companion for outdoor lifestyles. At number 3, we have the Buerk portable camping gas stove. The Buerk portable camping gas stove is designed for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who need powerful performance in a compact and travel-friendly form. Built with a double-core 8800W 5-star Fierce Fire system, it delivers strong and stable heat output, making it suitable for a wide range of camping, hiking, and outdoor cooking needs. One of its key highlights is its concentrated wind protection system, which directs the flame efficiently and helps increase cooking efficiency by up to 30%. This feature ensures more stable combustion even in windy outdoor environments, allowing users to cook without frequent interruptions. The stove features a magnetic dual-opening structure combined with an ultra-thin die-cast body. This design improves portability while maintaining durability. The magnetic double-opening handle adds convenience during setup and storage, making it easy to carry and operate in outdoor conditions. For added durability, the stove comes with a newly upgraded anti-collision suitcase design. It is built using eco-friendly and odorless materials, ensuring long-lasting use while maintaining safety and environmental consideration. Its energy-concentrating stoveplate is another major improvement, enhancing combustion efficiency by around 20%. This upgrade makes the stove more energy-saving while also improving wind resistance and temperature control, giving users better precision while cooking. The design also includes a removable anti-leak air guide tube system. With its 2-burner configuration, a single gas bottle can power both stoves simultaneously, maximizing fuel efficiency and making it highly practical for group cooking or extended outdoor trips. Overall, the Buerk portable camping gas stove combines high heat output, improved fuel efficiency, and a portable, rugged design. It is engineered to provide a reliable cooking experience in outdoor environments where performance, durability, and convenience are essential. Next up at number 2 is the Widesea portable camping gas stove. The Widesea portable camping gas stove is designed to enhance outdoor cooking efficiency while keeping portability and convenience at the center of its design. Built with an advanced heat exchanger system, this stove helps improve thermal efficiency by saving up to 30% of fuel. The heat is distributed more evenly and reaches cooking temperature faster, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and outdoor travel where fuel conservation is essential. At the core of its performance is a powerful 11,000 BTU flame, delivering strong and stable heat output. The adjustable fire control allows users to fine-tune the flame according to different cooking needs, whether boiling water quickly, preparing meals, or simmering coffee at a steady temperature. This flexibility makes it suitable for a variety of outdoor cooking scenarios. One of the most practical features of this camping stove is its highly compact design. All components are engineered to fit neatly inside a coffee cup-sized container, making it extremely easy to pack and carry. This space-saving design ensures that it can easily fit into backpacks without taking up unnecessary room, which is especially useful for long trekking or minimalist camping trips. The set also includes the Widesea French press pot, crafted from hard-grade aluminum oxide. This durable material ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to outdoor conditions. The French press pot can also be detached and used independently as a standard camping pot, offering added versatility for cooking or boiling water. With its combination of efficient heating, compact storage, and multifunctional design, the Widesea portable camping gas stove is a reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts. It allows users to enjoy hot meals and fresh coffee anywhere in nature, making outdoor experiences more comfortable and enjoyable. Finally, at number 1, we have the Bisinna portable camping gas stove. The Bisinna portable camping gas stove is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable and versatile cooking solution in camping, hiking, and travel situations. Built with a dual-core furnace head, it delivers stable and efficient flame output, allowing users to cook meals quickly even in outdoor environments where conditions may vary. One of its standout features is the infinite regulation knob, which provides precise control over firepower. This allows you to easily adjust the flame intensity from a gentle simmer to a strong boil, making it suitable for preparing a wide range of dishes while outdoors. Whether you are boiling water, frying food, or slow cooking, the adjustable flame ensures consistent performance. The stove supports compatibility with both high-altitude gas tanks and long gas cylinders, offering flexibility depending on your available fuel source. High-altitude gas tanks can be directly connected for immediate use, while long gas cylinders require the included adapter link for proper connection. This dual compatibility makes it a practical choice for different camping setups and travel conditions. A key design feature is the furnace tank separation system, which enhances safety and improves overall usability by keeping the fuel source separated from the burner unit. This design also contributes to better stability during cooking and easier handling during setup. For added convenience, the stove comes with a dedicated storage bag. This helps protect the stove from dust, scratches, and accidental impacts during transportation or storage, ensuring it remains in good condition for long-term use. Compact and portable, it is easy to carry along on outdoor trips without taking up much space. Overall, the Bisinna portable gas stove combines portability, flexible fuel compatibility, and precise flame control, making it a dependable companion for outdoor cooking needs. Ready to cook delicious meals anywhere in the wild? Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite portable camping gas stove. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more outdoor gear reviews.